Tired of the back and forth of scheduling meeting? With Calendly, you can streamline your booking process and save valuable time. This powerful tool lets you effortlessly set up appointments that work for everyone involved. Say goodbye to scheduling shows and hello to productivity. Let's dive in and unlock the magic of Calendly. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Calendly.com. The first step that you have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into Calendly.com. This is the home page as you can see. So we have here various things that you have to know about Calendly. First, let's know what is Calendly. Calendly is an online scheduling tool that makes booking meetings easy and efficient. It allows users to set the availability and share links for others to choose convenient times. With automated reminders and calendar integrations, it streamlines the scheduling process. Say goodbye to email back and forth and hello to hassle-free planning. So let's get started. All I have to do right now is just come back to the top and you click over sign up with Google, or use the option of sign up with Microsoft, or you can just click over sign up free with email and you'll find other page, which is this one. You have to enter your email, but before it's just knowing the brand and the pricing of this platform. You will just click over pricing and you will find this page as you can see. You have just right now to choose the package that you want. For example, we have picked the perfect plan for your team. For example, we have here the free one for individuals starting out with basic scheduling. You have it always free and you have just to select here get started to if you want it. Then we have here the free features. For example, we have eliminated one-on-one meetings, one event type, connect one of your calendars, integrate video conferencing, customize your booking page, send confirmation emails, embed scheduling on your site, mobile application and browser extension. Then we have the second one, standard, for those with more sophisticated scheduling needs. And you have to pay $10 per month. And here we have how you can get started by clicking over here. And for the features, we have here limited event types, multiple calendars, and various options. Then we have here teams for teams who need advanced features such as reporting, meeting, distributions, and automation. You have to pay $16 per month, and you have to still click over try for free if you want this package. Then we have here enterprise for teams who need more security, admin control support, and enterprise grade procurement. You have just to pay $50,000 per year, and you have just to talk to the sales to more understand about this package. You have just to select the package that you want and you get started, right? Then you have just right now to click over here. I will choose the package that is absolutely for free, and you will find other page, which is this one. You have just to sign up for your Calendly account by just adding your email address, and you click over sign up and you'll find other page, which is this one. You have just to enter your email address to get started, enter your full name, choose a password with at least 8 characters, and you click over continue and you will find other page, which is this one. Here we have Calendly. Before continuing, we need to verify your email address. Please check your inbox for a confirmation link. You have just right now to go to your Gmail address, to your Gmail, and you verify that you receive any email from Calendly, that you have a link, and you have just to click over it to get started with this platform or this dashboard, as you can see. All right, so I will show you how you can get started with this dashboard step by step. So this is how you can do that. If you don't receive an email, you have just to click over send it to me, and you will just receive your verification. All right, so this is the dashboard. So after creating your Calendly account, you have just to start by setting up your availability preferences, choosing the days and times you are free for meetings. Next, create event types, specifying details like duration and location, just to share your unique Calendly link with others. Then share your unique Calendly link with others, allowing them to pick a time that works for both of you. Once a meeting is scheduled, Calendly automatically updates your calendar and sends confirmation emails, making schedules a breezy. So as you can see, right now we have here in the right how you can get started. Firstly, get to know Calendly. You have just let Calendly make your scheduling breezy with different types, streamline your workday by automating meeting preparation and follow-ups, integrating with your favorite tools, and much more. Then you have just watch this video and you get started with this one. Then we have the perfect schedule and setup. To get started by creating our most common event type to one of one. Set your event details and connect your preferred video conferencing tool. Just watch this video to understand. Then you have just to customize and share your first event type, download Chrome extension as well. Then we have here automate meeting preparation and follow-up. Improve your work routine with automated meeting communications, tool and service integrations, and a browser extension. Then you have just watch it to understand again, and you have just to send reminders and follow-ups. Then connect the tools you use every day to boost productivity. Then the last one is use Calendly with a team. Learn about the features your organization users will have access to and the settings admins can use to improve scheduling for your organizations. You can firstly watch this video to more understand, then add teammates to start scheduling collaboratively, streamline scheduling for the team as well. Right? In the home page, we will find here how you can invite user. Then we have here the option of sharing with your friends a link to get started. So for example, we have here an event that I already created. I will show you how you can create an event. Just to click over create, then you select event type, and you have just to select it from one-on-one, one host with one invite. You have also here the option group one host with group of invites, collective more than one host with one invite. Then we have round robin for rotating host with one invite. So for example, I will select this one. Then here we have created one event type for yourself or on behalf of another user. Then you click over next, and you'll find this page. New event type, you have just to select the name, duration, as you can see. Then you select here the location, if it's Zoom, phone call, in-person meeting, and you click over continue and you create it. Then we have also here group, if one collective, more than one host with one invite, or we have here round, as I said, robin. Then we have here create one of a meeting. About this one, you'll find here this calendar. You have just to choose the time it's available for you, and you get started with this one, right? Then also we have here meeting pool, and we have other options like meetings, we have availability, contacts, workflows, integration duplication, routine as well. We have your upgrade analytics, admin center, and help. So this is how you can get started with Calendly. So Calendly is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their scheduling process by automating the booking of meetings. It saves you time and reduces the hassle of coordinating with others. Whether you are a busy professional or managing multiple appointments, Calendar enhances productivity and ensures you spend less time on logistics and more time on what truly matters. So you can just give it a try and do get started. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.